Beaucoup, j'm'allume au shit, smoke my back, smoke my...
Skin like chocolate, t'as la coco. Make she follow me go. Fly, yeah, we ain't
Big, don't wanna be. Ooh, big,
Wanna be,
ooh, big, don't wanna be. Ooh, big,
wanna be,
ooh, big, don't wanna be. Ooh, big,
wanna be,
ooh, big, don't wanna be. Ooh, big,
wanna be.
ooh. Big, don't wanna be. Ooh, big,
Wanna be,
big, don't wanna be. Ooh, big,
wanna be,
ooh, big, don't wanna be. Ooh, big,
wanna be,
ooh, big, don't wanna be. Ooh, big,
wanna be,
ooh, big, don't wanna be. Ooh, big,
wanna be.
ooh.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new, please don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll know each time I upload a video. I try to upload at least once a week so you don't want to miss out. I am uploading full videos like today, and I am uploading shorts. So please show some love down in the comment section. All right, so today is going to be a review of this very super long hair. You guys, it is an Amazon company, all right? And I want to thank this particular company for sending this long wig out to me to review. So let's get into it, okay? Let's get into it. So this wig is from MDL. I don't know exactly what that stands for, but it's from MDL. It's a body wave, a lace closure, human hair wig. It's pre-plucked, unprocessed, virgin, and it says human hair again. It says like human hair like 3 times. All right, wig. It has light baby hairs and it's a natural color. I want to say the color is like a 1B. Now this is 30 inches of hair, you guys. This is very, very long body wave hair, okay? And the price for this is $131. Now that is really, really inexpensive for 30 inches of hair, you guys. It really is. It has an average cap with combs and adjustable straps. Again, it is a 4x4 size lace closure. It has a breathable net. So it's very breathable. You know, it would be kind of easier to wear during some of the hotter seasons like spring and summer. So I think you can get away with it wearing this particular unit. Now I wanted to do a review of it because I do have some thoughts about this particular wig. The price, based on what I see on Amazon, it's $131, you guys. It's $131 for 30 inches of hair. Okay, so if you like inches. If you like length and you want it for a good price, I think this would be a good route for you. Okay, now there are some pros and cons, so let's get into the pros and cons. And I definitely wanted to bring an honest review to you guys. I want to be transparent. So when you go out to purchase these items from Amazon and things like that, you'll just be informed, you know, and you won't feel like you are being gypped or duped or scammed or anything like that. So I want to be, you know, your advocate and your voice. Hi everyone, day 2. So I'm going to go ahead and try this unit on with a middle part, okay? I tried it with the side part. I wasn't really feeling the side part, even though you've seen the pictures and the images. I just wasn't really feeling it. So I was like, okay, let me go back to a middle part. All right, so my mannequin is from a Black-owned company called Lady Mannequins. You can find her on Instagram. If you want more details about my particular mannequin, just let me know. Leave it down below. All right, so let's get into some more of the pros and the cons of this particular unit. This has been quite popular, at least the 30 inches. I don't know if this particular company has been popular, but length of hair and for such an affordable price has been popular. I've been seeing it in several of the wig groups I'm in. Well, let me go ahead and get into the pros and cons before I put the unit on again. When I did it day 1, I wasn't really feeling the side part look with this particular unit at all. So I was like, let me go ahead and try it back in a middle part. It is a lace closure instead of a frontal, so it is easy to slap on, slap off. Honestly, if you wanted to, you could probably wear it glueless. You know, typically with lace closures, you can wear it glueless. I just decided not to do it this time around. I did spray some of my bedhead mini hard holding spray on it. I don't use glue, you know, with my units, you guys. I either spray a hard hairspray like the bed head, the Got To Be glue, or now I've been using the Ebon lately, or I wear it glueless. Those are my 2 options. I don't use any type of bold hold or ghost bond or whatever like that. I don't do that at all because I like taking my units off every night. So anyway, those are the pros. The cons. There are a lot of cons, you guys. For one, the density. It is not, you would think that since it's 30 inches, it would be like a higher density, like 200 or maybe 250. It's at a lower density. It's like 130, maybe 150. Okay. Now, for most people that tend to wear long hair, like myself, they want their hair to be full. Me, on the other hand, I don't mind a lower density, so it wouldn't be a con for me personally, but for most wig wearers like myself, well, not like myself, but for most other wig wearers, they would prefer a higher density. So I would say that that's definitely a con in that area. Okay. Another thing is that it sheds like crazy, you guys. It sheds and it tangles like crazy. I'm not a fan of it at all. After I had curled it and I was playing around with it and trying to style it, the bottom of my floor was filled with hair. I hated it. Oh my god, I hate it. I hate hair that sheds like constantly like that. So that is definitely, and it tangles, and it tangles too. Maybe it tangles because of the length, but it tangles as well. So that I didn't like that at all. Another thing is that it doesn't hold a curl. All right, I had curled it the night before. These pretty curls. It curls beautifully. That's the funny thing about it. but it didn't hold at all. So the next day when I went to go put it on, the curls had vanished completely. So what you see in the video was just kind of like soft waves that I had. And this hair is a body wave. It's advertised as a Brazilian body wave. So, you know, the soft waves I don't mind, but it doesn't hold a curl, honestly. And I do kind of like wearing my hair sometimes a little curly, you know, big waves, big body waves. I was kind of disappointed that the look that I had in mind did not come out. All right, hence why I have my hair in 2 ponytails. I'm going to wear it this time just kind of like crinkly. You know, I'm gonna wear it that way. I could straighten it and show you how it looks straight, and I probably will do that maybe later on or whatever, and insert a picture or maybe post it on my community tab or somewhere, or any one of my social media sites, you guys. I'll probably post some type of update or something of this particular hair. I won't probably have it in this video, but I digress. The only thing is that I'm not really into bone straight hair. One last thing that I think as a con would be that it has a lot of flyaways. The level it took for me to tame this hair, you guys, and it's still not even that tamed. Insane. All right, I had to put a little grease in it. I had to use my hot comb. I had to use my flat iron. I didn't put the spray on it just to tame these flyaways. The flyaways are insane. Okay, they're driving me insane. That's the hair, you guys. That's the hair. I have a couple of errands to run. I was gonna take the hair out right now in front of you guys, but I'll take it out and I'll take some pictures so you guys can see how it looks. See, it lays really good. It lays really nicely. The lace is not the problem. Look at this. Ugh, the amount of what I had to do for these flyaways. Ugh. All right, so stay tuned to see how it looks. All right.
Wanna be, ooh, wanna be, ooh, wanna.
Don't forget, if you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also hit all of the notifications so you'll know every time I post a video or a short. And everyone, please don't forget to hit the like button. If you enjoyed this content, leave a comment down below so I'll know that you stopped by. All right, thank you so much, and I will see you in another one. And we're done.